Good morning and welcome to the TPM 4-Minute Friday, where we show you tips and techniques that will help your everyday tasks. My name is Dana Rice and I'm the Civil 3D and Earthworks 360 Applications Engineer. And today I would like to show you a new command available to us in Civil 3D 2017 that is called Earthwork Plan Production. If you look here in my drawing, I am in the Analyze ribbon, and there is a command on the Volumes and Materials panel called Earthwork Plan Production. Rather than try to explain what it does, let me just go ahead and start this command and show it to you, and then I'll just kind of talk about it once the command populates. What this command does, it compares the volume of two surfaces. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my existing surface as well as my finished surface, my design surface, this baseball field here. I need to establish a grid. I have pre-drawn in a polyline to work as my border, so I'm going to select this polyline. Okay, if you come over here, this command is similar to spot elevations on grid. However, it's going to give us a lot more information. Now, right here, this is where we tell the command how large we want our grid. So I'm going to do 30 by 30. I'm going to leave all of that as true. I'm going to leave it on the accuracy method, but let me show you the three types of algorithms that you can choose. Let me click here for display settings. What this command does is it will give us elevations for both our existing surface and finished surface, cut, fill, volume, cut and fill, dimensions of our grid lines, and then every entity has its own layer. Obviously, you can come in here and you can change those layers, you can change colors, text heights. You see how much control you have on how this Earthworks plan will look. I'm going to leave it as is for right now. And then let me hit OK, and you can see that it is creating a plan. Now yes, this takes a little bit of time, but it's one of those commands that I like to call it a coffee command. In other words, you get it going and you go get yourself a cup of coffee, you come back and it's done. Okay, and here we are. Like I said, a little bit of a time frame to get that command to go, but look what we have here. Let me zoom in. Of course, we have our grids. We have our finished grade elevation at every intersection of the grid. Existing elevation, difference, whether it's a cut or a fill. Here's fill with a plus sign. We have our volume. Here's fill volume as well as cut volume per grid square. And then the Earthwork plan will also calculate the cut and fill for both rows and columns. And then this over here, this is just, dimensions for each grid. One of the wonderful things about having so many different layers on this command is that if you did not want to see the dimensions, you can just turn that off. Again, that was the Earthwork Plan Production, new in Civil 3D 2017, and that is under the Analyze ribbon. On the Volumes and Materials panel, it is called Earthwork Plan Production. My name is Dana Rice. Thank you for spending a bit of your time with TPM in our 4-Minute Friday, and you have a wonderful day.